Hey guys, it's me, Nintendoswitch, guys. Welcome back to our video. Today we're gonna open up. Well, we already did open up the Switch. Jeremy's holding right now.
You saw before.
Yeah, you saw it. So I didn't do my
kitchen.
I didn't do my intro, so like here it is.
Alright, Jeremy.
Okay, you want some help? No, I'll hold it down.
Here's the Switch, Jeremy.
Oh, you're gonna drop it on the floor. Isn't yours just black?
Yeah. Well, black and gray. Yeah. I think that's good.
But it's actually good that you're giving.
Oh. Oh wow, she dropped it, Jeremy.
Here, I got that.
Wait, you don't need that right now.
Yeah, because I want to get this one.
Give it up, give it up, give it up.
I'll take this one.
Okay, give it. Oh, that's all you get it. Jimmy, we'll play tomorrow. This is for the dual console.
Yeah. Move the box out of the way. I can't see it.
Alright, so this is what Jeremy got for Christmas. So do you want it in English, France, Spanish, Italian?
English.
Americas? Yes. Alright, let's go.
I want Mickey Mouse. That's the Switch.
Alright guys, so there it is.
Yeah, the control. Setting it up now.
Yeah, I'm setting it up right now. Alright guys, so we're checking right now the time.
It's zoomed in.
I'll show you what I got.
I'm your camera. Got the new Wii Switch.
What?
Wait, Betty, do you want to play downstairs?
Should we?
We should play downstairs.
YouTube?
Hola, YouTube.
Betty, are you leaving?
I'm leaving? No.
Oh, I wanted to.
Oh my God. Cables. Right now, this very moment, it's the 25th. Like 12 something.
You don't know how to?
Oh wait, now I know. Frank, look at the camera.
Here's wires.
Where is he?
But don't put it in the box.
I'm not gonna lose it. I'm just setting up the Nintendo.
Nintendo, one Nintendo.
While they are doing it.
So guys, Daniela is doing the Wi-Fi button. Yes, YouTube, so he can subscribe to my channel. Oh, Jeremy. Alright, so we're putting this right here. That's mine. This is like all the money I got. It's like 120. It's really great. It's low-key like nice to be famous. Give me, you like the Switch?
Yeah.
Good. Alright, bye guys. Thanks for liking and watching the video. If you guys didn't like it, then like.
Subscribe right here and like the video.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we're gonna play some Smash Bros.
And I'm coming over to Betty's house. Show them, give them a close-up of the Nintendo.
Yeah, stay virtual.